Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Arpa. Wanted to make a video on that. I mean, I've had my eyes on Arpa. I have my eyes on it a lot, to be honest. I know what Arpa can do. I still remember the huge rally we had back in June. I think it was. When was this? June? No, May actually. Wow. So I still remember that huge rally we had back then. I shorted it from like 7 cents, so that was not a great ride. But I shorted it without a stop loss, which I still did back then. It works quite often, but sometimes it really didn't. And from there, drop back down. I did make a profit out of it. I think I made like a couple $100, even though the funding rates were not ideal. But right now, Arpa has been rallying again, and again, I have had my eyes on it. I mean, to be honest, what you already could have seen in the last couple of days is that the open interest buildup was amazing. I mean, the open interest buildup already was there on Monday. And then over the last couple of days, I mean, obviously we had that flush on Wednesday, which kind of ticked me off. I mean, I never really liked trading after flushes like that. I still remember looking at Arpa after that flush and thinking, well, this does have a good chance, but it's just not worth it to me. But right now, Arpa is rallying. Look, something else I don't like is that Arpa is one of those cryptos that has had a huge rally. I mean, this rally was insane. Usually this is just a second rally, all right? So that's the manipulators that had it back here still hold some bags and that they want to get rid of it so that it's manipulated, which I do think is the case with Arpa as well. And what's always the case with manipulation is that retail loses money. Manipulators normally don't lose money, all right? So you're guaranteed that some of us are going to lose money. So what my usual solution is just don't trade it. And right now also, if you look at where the volume is coming from, if I am able to sort that, you'll see that about 40% is coming from BitTrue. There's a lot coming from BTC Turk and Upbit as well. So it is manipulated again. I would say that at this moment, that still does mean that it can rally higher. I mean, the open interest up until 30 minutes ago was still increasing rapidly. So there's still a lot of momentum. So Arpa right now, I would say, is bullish, but I do want to stress, and I do want to tell you, like as much and as well as I can, that this is dangerous. All right, trading this is dangerous. So know that. Don't risk too much. Use a stop loss. I cannot stress that enough. So the main level we're looking at right now is between 7.3 and 7.5. 7.5 is a big psychological resistance level. 7.3 is the main technical level. I would say 7.3 is more important. But the big question is with the next 4-hour time frame candle, which has probably already closed once you're watching this video, will that break above this level or not? If the answer is yes, then even though the open interest has dropped down a bit, I would actually say it's most likely will continue up to our next price target, which historically, if you look at the historic price targets, has always been this level right here between 8.7 and 9.5 cents. So that would be my first price target. And to be honest, I mean, I've seen so many rallies like this. It's usually better to assume it will happen. So I am going to tell you, with this open interest buildup, with my experience of cryptos like these I've seen, and with the technicals, I will tell you that if we get that breakout above 7.3, it seems most likely that we'll rally up to 8.7 and 9.5. And it also seems most likely that we will get that bullish breakout, but I would wait for that. Because what's also still a possibility is that this open interest dump just keeps increasing so that it dumps down lower and lower, and that Arpa is not able to break above 7.3 and that this is the top, all right, which would be confirmed with a bearish breakout below 6.8. So that's a possibility, but like I said, I don't think that's most likely. It's something to be afraid of though, and you should definitely know that. But at this moment, I would say it's most likely Arpa will continue, and I'm probably going to investigate if it's possible to take a long position on it. But if you want to know more about that, then check out my premium and signal group. Those will be down in the description or the pinned comment. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching though. Take care and bye.